mouse. What's that noise? I heard something. I know I did. A kind of scritch-scutter scramble coming from behind the fridge. Oh no, it's a mouse! I can't stand mice. In fact, I'm terrified of them. Just thinking about them makes me shudder. And I actually see one. I go bananas. Scream, shriek, jump up on the nearest chair, table, anything. I don't care. Just don't let it come near me. It's totally idiotic, I know. I mean, they're so small. And they're not exactly ferocious, are they? It's not as if it was a crocodile on the loose in the house.